if you got a car and if you face difficulty in keeping your interior clean, then this video is for you. So in cities, people have a daily clean, and 90% of the people, they have a cleaner who cleans the car from the outside in the morning, but they don't have proper tools and equipment to clean the inside of the car, so they simply dust the mats and nothing else. So what we are providing is we provide an interior cleaning pack at just ₹99, in which we clean the inside with proper vacuum machine. It extracts all the sand particles from the floor. We also clean the dashboard and we polish it. Third thing is that we clean the console. So that's the offering that we are providing, and it is useful for people who got children, who got pets, and who commute a lot. So if you see on the left, there are the products, the vacuum is there, and we also add some fragrance, so it makes a good ambience, and it also kills all the bacteria from the inside.